Hello everyone. It's been reported that Moja loves Sizoktola's new host, Olani Mapanga, and the channel official Obritao are fearing for their lives and have been in hiding. It's been alleged that the hitmen have been paid up to 500,000 rands to assassinate them. Apparently, the drug lords have been plotting to assassinate Moja Love Channel CEO Obritao and Olani Mapanga. Mapanga replaced Olani Kumalo, who was sacked by the channel as the presenter of the popular show, which busts and exposes drug lords and merchants in South Africa. The shocking news was revealed by the private investigators who were contacted by the channel to check why Tau was followed by suspicious-looking men after he, Mapanga, and the channel crew descended on Linseria a fortnight ago to expose the drug syndicate led by a notorious Russian drug lord. According to Sunday World, upon probing, the private investigators discovered that hitmen had been contacted by the drug lord to assassinate Tau and Mapanga. According to the information received, the channel received a tip-off from a law-abiding South Africans that there was a drug den owned by a dangerous Russian drug lord in Linseria. Before going to the property, the crew went to the Linseria police station and asked for backup. When they arrived at the property, the drug lord's employees refused to open the gate and made them wait for over 2 hours. When they were eventually allowed them in, the crew spotted what looked like a drug lab, several pieces of equipment which appeared to be used by manufacture drugs, and plastic bags which seemed to be used to wrap up contraband were found on the premises. As they were combing the property, the officers who had escorted them received a call from their superiors who ordered them to leave the property immediately. The cops swiftly left the property without explaining to the crew the rationale behind their sudden departure. The crew also left the property immediately for safety reasons. On Tuesday last week, Tau found a suspicious-looking man sitting next to his home in Johannesburg, where he asked how he could be any assistance to him. The man, who looks and speaks with a Russian accent, and said he was at the wrong address. Tau took pictures of the man with his cell phone and also took down his vehicle registration plate. He then sent it to a private security company, which upon investigation discovered that he lives in Sydney and was linked to the drug lord. Investigators also discovered that the man was there to gather intelligence on behalf of the hitman allegedly hired by the drug lord. They informed him that one of the hitmen allegedly hired to assassinate them was a former cop who had carried out hits on behalf of the underworld boss. It is also alleged that among the hitmen approached was the one who shot and killed Eldorado Park's underworld boss Forik Meyer in 2021. Tau was also tipped off that a price tag of $500,000 was attached to their heads. When Tau shared the information with his security personnel, they informed him that they had spotted 2 colored people who were driving in a BMW, surveying his property. Tau has since opened a case at the Sandton police station. Moja Love spokesperson drugl0d said law enforcement agencies are handling the matter and said, as a channel, we will not operate from a space of fear when drugs are killing our communities. We will not be intimidated, and we will continue exposing those that continue to kill our nation with drugs. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.